Hey guys, it's Miss Amber at Academic Essentials. I wanted to share some fun puzzles with you today from education.com. If you are inside the free version or if you decided to pay for a subscription, you would actually just go ahead and go through the subjects and click on math and math puzzles. And then it's going to bring you to the options that you have. So the one that we're going to work on today, it's called logic puzzle number 1, Harriet's hats. This is very fun to do with your students anywhere that you go to. So here is the beginning portion of it. It says Harriet loves hats. In fact, she has so many hats that she will only wear one kind of hat to each place she visits with her grandma. Okay, so we're going to solve this together. We're going to use our writing tool, and here we go. Our writing tool is working. So we just want to go step by step so that we can find out which hats belong where. So Harriet never wears a hat that starts with the same letter as the place she's going. So this is going to make it so easy for us. This is how we do this. We say, okay, this is a magician hat. So any of the places that start with the letter M, that's what we're going to put an X on because she's not going to wear them to those places. So we put an X with museum and magician hat, and then we put an X with the movie theater and the magician hat. Okay, easy peasy. Then we go to the next one, a library. Do we have any hats that start with an L? No, so we go to the next one, a coffee shop. Does she have any hats that start with the letter C? She does. She has the cowboy hat and the coffee shop will never be paired together. And then the coffee shop and the crown will never be paired together. Okay. Then the next one is the bakery. Does she have a hat that starts with the letter B? And she does, right? She has the beanie. So the beanie is not going to be at the bakery ever because she tells us that in number 1. All right. You guys are doing awesome. Number 1 is complete. Now, number 2. She doesn't wear her magician hat or party hat to the coffee shop. So now those are more answers that she's giving to us, right? So we can do process of elimination. So we want to know the magician hat, not going to be at the coffee shop. And then the party hat, not going to be at the coffee shop. So way to go. We have our first answer. So she's going to wear the beanie at the coffee shop. Okay, so if she wears the beanie at the coffee shop, this means that she's not going to wear the beanie at the library, not at the museum, and not at the movie theater either. Okay, then we're going to go to the third one. It says the museum does not allow visitors to wear party hats. So we're going to go to the museum and we're going to go to party hat. We're going to click an X on that one. Okay, then she tells us she loves to feel like a queen while she reads fairy tales about fearless knights and fierce dragons. Okay, where can she do that at? What place would have these books available about fairy tales and knights and dragons? At the library, right? So she's going to wear the crown at the library. Okay, so we're going to put an X on those other places from the library. And then since she's wearing the crown at the library, she's not going to wear the crown at the museum, not at the movie theater, and not at the bakery. Okay, what other answer do we have from process of elimination? The cowboy hat. She's going to wear the cowboy hat at the museum. So that means we can also eliminate from the movie theater, from the bakery. Now we have another answer. Now the movie theater is going to wear the party hat. Way to go. And so that means the bakery is going to wear the magician hat. Okay, here is a fun math puzzle. Please check it out. There is a free version of education.com, and I hope you all have fun learning. See you next time. Bye.